Have a nice day, dear students. Nice to see you all. I'm really happy to be back here to teach you. As you remember, last week we started working with PowerPoint and we're going to continue with that. We're going to do what is called overlapping images. So we're going to learn how to take the background of an image and use it to put it in top of another image. We did that with GIMP. I don't know if you remember that. We cut an image. But I'm going to show you how to do that digitally with a page that is called Pixlr. I'll show you in a minute. And then we're going to use diagrams to do that. First of all, I'm going to show you, let me get into my Google. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go and create a new slide. Okay. So it's asking me what type of slide I want to do. I want to do a blank one. Actually, internet today is not as fast as I would like, but still it's working. So there you go, it's working. And what I want to set up first is in the background image. Please take note of this. You can do, I want to do, I'm not going to use any theme here. So no themes. I'm fine with what I have now. So you're going to find an image that will serve you as a background. Any image will do. Any image will you like, wherever you want to be. Or it can be an image of your home if you want, or with somebody. I'm gonna delete this because I actually don't need it. And I'm gonna add my background. I selected, guys, as my background, an image of La Pietà, which is one of the greatest sculptures of Miguel Ángel Buonarroti. I never seen it. I never have seen it in my life. Hopefully I will someday. I haven't, but I will like to see La Piedad. There you go. So here it is, La Piedad or La Pietà, which is in the Vatican Church. Okay, St. Peter's Basilica. And I would like to have a photo of me pointing at La Piedad. But if I have all my pictures, let's say I want to insert 2 of them, okay, and I want to insert this one and maybe this one at the same time, I'm not able to see, like, I'm blended there because there's a background, as you can see. What I would like is to take away that background. I would like to show you how to do that. So first you will need to take a picture of yourself in a whole environment, let's say against a wall or something like I did there, and then take away that wall. Now, how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to go to the internet, and on the internet, I'm going to find a page, which is I go Pixlr. Weird name, but that's the page that I want you to do. And in Pixlr.com.x, you will click here and it give you something like GIMP. I will really like to show you, continue with GIMP, but I can't. So I have an image there that I start working with. I'm going to erase it, but I'm going to show you how to do it in this tool. Now, this being an online and free tool, each and everyone can use it at home. So I'm going to open an image, and I'm going to use this image to change everything. This is asking me here the pre-size of the image. I want to do an original one, a full HD, or WAV. I will suggest you use a WAV because it's smaller and it's easier to manage. So let's use WAV. So there you go. I got my image. I take a picture of me pointing at La Piedad. So I need to erase that background, right? Okay. So this is the tool that you will need, cutout. Now with cutout, you can use any image, shape, or the magic that actually doesn't work so well. Take a look at that. It erased a lot of me too. So it doesn't work like that. So we'll need to do it by hand. Now how to do it with draw cutout. Here you got a size, which is 50, and a softness. I'm going to take away the softness, but I'm going to make it a big size. So if you take a look at that, the only thing I need to do is cross it over and it erases completely everything. As simple as that. You cross over the image and it actually erases everything. but there are some points and spaces there that you will need to get into it. So I'll make the size smaller, pretty much smaller, let's say 8, okay? And I'm gonna get into there with control and zoom, control and scroll. You play control and scroll. And in here, you may wanna look that you can actually move there. So I got my pointing there and I can go through the small spaces, erasing the background. It's not going to take me that much because I just need to take some time to do it right. I just do like little strokes and then I let them go. To not to screw up everything. Oh, there you go. I'm following the contour of my hand and it is erased and I can erase everything else. Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's go here and let's make this bigger. And I can erase now the whole thing because I did a contour. That's what I want you to do. To erase completely. And to set up your image. So you will need to do a little bit smaller sometimes, a little bit bigger sometimes, and then try to erase everything as soon as you can. There you go. So if you take a look at that, then I'll go here to zoom out. And I'm doing it. I'm taking away the contour. Once I've finished, I'm gonna save here. And I'm going to here, you say you will need to save your image. Okay. That's the only thing. So in here, you find the button save, and you will save it. Please write this down as a PNG. You got a JPG, a PNG, a WEP, and a PXD. Remember that PNG, I taught you in class, doesn't have any background. So that's what you want, and you will say download, and it will download the image to your computer. Now the final result will be something like this. Okay, so, okay, there you go. So I'm going to go to insert, again, image, and I have here my photo in downloads now. So it's not this one, it's the one that I just have downloaded with Herbert with no back. There you go. So take a look at that. It's me pointing on the piedad. You can do any image as fun as you want, but I want to do something else because this is actually a program to present. So what I'm going to do is this. I am going to set up an animation for this. I'm going to go to, I'm going to change and I'm going to add an animation to this and translation, a transition. Okay. So you can animate. Here in animation, it's actually telling me what do you want to do with the animation. Okay. That's what I want you to send me. It will be no fade in. I don't like the fade in. I would like to fly in from right. Okay. But it will do it after previous. What does that mean? This means, there you go. Okay, I'll do it from the left to see how it works. And let's see it. So this is my animation. Oh no, you do it wrong. I'll do it again. Fly in, first is fly in from left. That's what I want. There you go. Okay. So then I'm going to insert a shape. And that shape, it's a call out. Is this one. I'm going to use this one. Okay. Take a look at that. And you can even change this little thing here so I can point it to me. Okay. Very good. So I'm going to double click this and I'm going to write, hey, look. And I can do a lot of things with this. I can actually put no fill, but I want to use uh, this fill, okay? And I can do it, I can change the letters to the text in here. Black is good. I'm gonna make it this, and I'm gonna center it. There you go. And I'm gonna animate it too. So I'm gonna pick this up and in insert animation. Okay, here's my fade in. So I'm gonna make this different. I'm gonna make this, let's look at spin, how it works. And I'm gonna do it after previews. So I'm gonna do this first one and then the other one. Let's see how it works. Oh, it worked, but it's not disappearing from the very beginning, right? Let's do it like this. So let's do this with previous. I'll do both. Let's see. Hey, that's a one. Very good. That's what I want to do. Okay, so if you look at what you had to do, it's kind of funny and interesting. You will need to set up a background, whatever you want to do. You will need to take yourself a picture. You know how to do that. I taught you that at class. Then you will need to cut the background of that picture and set it up there, like if you're there, and then send in a call out with anything you want to write on. I'll be fine with that. So I think it's a pretty funny um, object to do. Then you download it and upload it to Google Classroom as always. Again, you can do any background you want. You can do any picture of you want. Remember to use a background, right? And then the color you want. If it is funny, it's pretty good. I would like you to enjoy. I think it's a pretty good and interesting thing that we're learning. We're learning more complicated things with Google Sheets. I'm sorry, with Google presentations, which is almost look like Google PowerPoint. Sorry, just Microsoft PowerPoint. God bless you all. I miss you all, guys. I really miss you all. I miss seeing you in class and talking to you. I know we have a great ambient in class, and I'm really missing you. Please don't hesitate on calling me whenever you want. Don't hesitate on sending me an email, calling me to my Skype, and I will be ready to answer you. God bless you all. Have a great week. Please keep on the great, good work you have been doing in the class and taking care of yourselves. We'll see each other soon. God bless you all.